cricket and usually football and kabaddi. The cricket is usually very famous because a lot of people are very attracted towards the sport since a very young age, rather the contrary to the other sports. So it's given more emphasis here.
Do you play any games?
I usually play badminton or board games at home, mostly indoor games. I'm not usually into video games as such.
Okay, this is grammatical errors. I usually play.
Okay, sir.
I usually play. If you have to use time and verb, always try to use I often, I always, I usually, okay, I sometimes, and always try to see, try to go with variety of sentence structures when you have to speak. Okay, then
Okay,
when
sir.
we've got games are popular, okay, so though there are many games which are popular in my country, however, cricket is known as one of the most important and essential games and most popular, most renowned in my country.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can also extend, for example, you can see in every streets, nook and corner, the people playing cricket on the street in any corner in the part of India. Something else that you have to elaborate. Okay. Now,
Yes.
how do people learn to play games in your country?
According to me, what I think generally, like I learned games by watching my parents, like what they taught me, and my older friends, like the people who were older than me in my society or around me in my school, the seniors. By looking at them and by them telling me the rules, that's how I learned playing the games, and usually all my peers learned the same way. So I guess by observing and learning from your seniors around us or by watching television was the main source for us to learn to play game in our country.
Oh, that's great. One more thing that you don't have to repeat. Suppose if you are using learn, so the next time that means sometimes we are nurtured, we are trained, we are guided, and sometimes you can say it means mostly in our society people are inspired with the people who around. Like suppose sometimes they watch television and they say they're iconic and their icon, they play different kinds of the games. So if they are having some interest, they try to inculcate those things very quickly. So how do people learn? Most of them, they just go in the park and see various variety of the people they have been learning and playing different. So if they are inspired, it depends on their choice. Okay, so these are the things that you have to speak now. Do you think it's important for people to play games?
Yes, I think it's really important for people to play game as nowadays, like because especially during COVID, a lot of people have been staying home, sitting in front of our laptop screens, and there is a very less physical activity going around. So at such times, playing games give our body the required movement that it needs to function, and it gives us the required exercise that is necessary for our body, and also it gives a relaxation to our eyes from a constant staring at the screen.
That's good answer. So this was the part one. Okay. So it is only one topic that I have covered. Sometimes examiner will ask you after finishing this. Examiner will say, "Let's talk about pure punctuality." Then he will or she will ask few questions on the base. You can see the question patterns. Suppose if I have to give you one topic, hometown. So how many questions that you can make? This is the format in the previous session that I had explained that how can you make questions so that you will be aware of answering those questions. Okay, now I would like to ask Sandhya. Sandhya, are you there? Or street market which you enjoy visiting. Start
Uh,
speaking.
Being a student, I haven't explored the world much, and as a result, the market that I usually find attractive or like to go visit is the weekly market that's situated about 2 to 3 kilometers from my place. It's called as the Saturday market. The market sells a wide variety of products and things, but however, the main attraction of the market is the low cost of raw material that's available for making clothing materials. At the same time, the market has various shops that sells defective branded clothes at a very cheap prices. So people find the market very affordable and attractive at the same time, well knowingly that there are a lot of market in the world that are more attractive and has more qualities in the market that I've just described right now. I really enjoy visiting this place because there are a lot of fabrics available out there, which makes me put different ideas together as to which fabric might go well with the other, what kind of clothes can be made with what material, and that actually brings out a creative side in me, which is very which is not what I usually experience in my day-to-day life being a science student. So that's why I enjoy visiting this market a lot.
Okay, you have missed that how big this market is. The third bullet point.
Oh, yes, sir. So
Yes.
should I go on with that?